Hello, today I'm going to review the iPhone 12 Pro Silver. I just bought it from Apple. The box is pretty nice, not that thin. Maybe the adapter is not in the box. You can feel it. Okay, let's go open it. Take it out. Here I bought the silver. The silver is actually nice. It's pretty much shiny. You can see Apple. It's matte finish on the back side. And the side profile, oh my god, is really remarkable. It's very shiny, very shiny. This is the 5G millimeter wave, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, this is really handsome. This is really good and really feel good in my hand. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Let's see what's inside the box. This is the Type-C charger cable. What's that? Oh. Alright, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Silver Edition. In a single word, this is something else, something different, a new world. Thank you guys for watching the videos, and sorry if I did any mistake or something. Have a rest of the day good.